through hundreds of dollars doing this whole thing, plus Buffalo Gold at Angels of the Wind. It is dead. I finally got in at $1. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Too bad it wasn't a bigger bet. Oh, 360? Are you kidding me? Oh my, on $1 bet, guys. That is crazy. Darn, I wish I had I was betting higher, but I gave up. Wow. I got 364. Was that cool? Thank you. God, that was gorgeous. Wow. Let's go up. I can't believe I hit something. Oh. We're going to do $1 denom, $5 bet. We're just checking. Okay, so looks pretty dead. Okay, let's go to 5. Just try low ones now. $7. I do think if I get my 100 back, I should run. Oh, that's pretty. Would love to get all those girls across. It's probably the only bet that's given me anything so far. Try it again. We want those. I think this is Angels of the Wind, and it's just is deader than a doornail this morning. So I need to lay. Okay, let's go up to 375. Nope, not good. All right, I just came over here. That should be pretty good. 63. I mean, the Buffalo Gold, the Roosters were horrible. That's nice, but we need more. Come on, let's try 10. Darn, it's only 5. Okay, let's take it back to 5. Okay, let's take it to 3. 2. The only one that's given me a teeny bit playback is 2 cents. That's what the guy won the $500+ on. Oh, look at that, minor. Okay, he won that maybe, what, 40 minutes ago or less, half an hour ago. We want those. Come on, one more. It's being tough. I should know better than to play here in the morning. Okay, let's go down to 2. Let's see if we can get anything on 2. It's not doing. I moved up to Tiki Fire. We got 20. We're going through our money pretty fast. We just need a couple of nice bonuses, right? Let's go to $10 bets. Nope. Go back to 5. Come on now. Wow, they don't even compare to Talayla. Wow. Okay, this is early in the morning. Well, it's about 9 o'clock, and it's just tighter than a tick, guys. Try it again. Look at those diamonds. Guys, it's taking me down another 100. It just only hits once in a great while. Wow. We're going to go ahead and end it with the $5. And we're just going to do it. Actually, let's do a 10. Come on. We want it. Come on. Wow. Not doing it, guys. Well, we tried. Oh, we got it. At $1.50. It's only hit on a 1 cent denom. So the mini is only 10. A minor would be 50. But we got something. But we took $400 down to 2 something. Right? I had a $300 ticket, and then I also put it another 100 in. How about? I said put it. That's the come on. One let's go. I think we only got about 30. 31. Okay. All right, this is a Wednesday morning. Let's see if we can get any more. We want diamonds all the way across or 3 moons. Or, of course, 6 orbs. 6 orbs would be lovely. Put down. Amazing, it would only hit on $1. We tried 250, nothing. We're gonna try 5, one more, come on. It just, okay, that's good, guys. We'll take anything. Where are those 2? Okay, we got 47. Come on, where are they? I have a feeling that $5 just is not gonna bring it in. Come on, bring it in. Where's our moon? Moon. No moon. Okay, get out. All right, let's go to 2 cents. Let's do, we're doing $2 bills. Took it out, put it back in at 10-cent denom. Our minor now is 500, mini is 100. But we haven't hit anything on this 10 cent. I was hoping we would. Let's go to $5. Come on, 5. Just nothing's showing, right? Take it down. We are going to try the dollar denom. That looks bad. Okay. Let's go $1 and let's try it. Okay, we're trying 5 at $1 denom. That's what I'm looking at. 1,200 there. 250 for a mini. 1,200 for a minor. I shouldn't be doing it because this one has been so tough. Oh, moon. Oh, I thought I saw it. Come on, moon. Wow. Just nothing, guys. We can't stay there. Now, what's really interesting is it's hitting on a penny. Let's see if we hit again. 250. Doesn't look too good. Come on. Go back to $1. Well, we moved down here because we weren't doing anything in the hearts. This is the one the guy won a lot of money on. Oh man, give us some. Okay, go to 10. Nothing. It's not going to do it. We're going to end up losing it. It's basically taken my $200+ down. We got 30 there. We need it. We're just, it hasn't given us anything. I know, I should have, guys. You're right. You can put that in the comments. Here's a 625. Nothing. Wow. Usually you'll get volcanoes. Nothing. This place. Okay, 125. You saw me hit, what, 300 and some dollars on a $1 bet. And then on the heart drops, God, it's just deader than a doornail. So we moved next door. We're only at a 2-cent denom. We're playing 3, and we got 48. Oh, I'll take it, but we need more than that. We know that. Come on now. Come on now. We got $3. Come on, one more. Okay, one more 3. Trade 250. So I came back here. Look at these. Oh yeah, they just want to catch me here. We needed 2 more. We just hit a teeny bit on $5. The very next day, this machine was dead. This is the one I hit the jackpot on. So we're in at 250 at $1 denom. Oh, I was here earlier. I played all 6 of the machines, just dead. I got in. I don't think I'm going to get a lot, but hey. Last one, oh, looking bad. $8 on 250. Hey, we got in, okay? That's beautiful, 34, we'll take it. Come on, one more. Let us in a few times, please. We want in. Yes, we do. I've tried other machines. I'm not doing real well today. All right. So I had to move over here from my winning machine yesterday. So today I couldn't, oh, that's pretty. I couldn't hit anything. I got in at 250 and it gave me, what was that, $8 or something? That's because I hit the grand yesterday and somebody else hit the grand before that. Oh, okay, we got 43. Can we do a little bit more? Well, we got 43. We'll take anything. We got 3 moons. Something. Thank you. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, well, that's hitting a little bit. Let's go to 5 real quick and see what happens. Okay, we got in at 150. It only likes 1 cent. Let's see if we get anything. So what did we get? We got $60. Oh, wow. Remember, this one hit the grand yesterday. Not this one, but this side. The tiki fire. And then something else hit a grand earlier before I got here. Come on, one more. It's not doing those. It's just getting the moons right now. Come on, baby. I hit the grand on the tiki fire balls. All right, we're in a second time. I just did a little bit of spinning. We need more than 46. Come on, how about a retrigger, honey? Uh-oh. Woo. We want all those 2s. Come on. Oh, please. 13. It's being tough, guys. Really tough. Okay, we just got in. Thank goodness. I'm not playing my card either. All right, guys. Here we go. We're at $1.50. Okay, the mini is $10, but at least we have $30. Let's go. This is good. Come on, one more. One more, come on. Oh, let's go. Last one. Darn. All right, let's see what we got. It's the first wins I've had on these today. I've been back to play. All right, thank you. You guys saw how low I was. They got in on that one at $1.55 and then they got about $35. I wish it would get in at 5, but these are tight, guys. Oh, I got $4, but still not enough. Okay, let's go down to 150. I hit something on 150. Too bad. Okay, that's good. Come on now. We want those dolphins, don't we? Yes, we do. All right, let's go to 10 cents. Just a couple of ones. Not good enough. Nothing else was working, so I came back to the cover dropper. So I just got $50. I'll take it. Does it speed up? If it had one more, it would have been $2.50. So 50 and then those aces. All right, we'll take it. Thank you. We need something. All right. One more. All right. If you had one more, it'd be, I think it's $20. Okay, guys, we're on copper droppers. I'm just betting 90 cents because I lost some money. Yes, I did. That should be $20, I think. It is. Hey, it's something, right? Let's try that. Okay. So the maximum bet on copper droppers is 270. And the jackpot would be 2,000. If you get all the reds. It's 750 if you get the combination. Doesn't look that good. Dark. Oh well. Well, out of all the bets, 45 up to 270, 90 is the best. I keep playing, keep trying. There you go. We want all of those. That'd be 900 on $1.35. On 270, it'd be all the red would be 2,000. It's $600 on 90. Oh, good. All right, that's $75. If you had one more, it'd be $375. Good. Thank you. We'll take it. Hey, I'm getting something on these. Thank goodness. How are you guys? Yesterday was a great day. Today has been a down day. So I might give up soon. Let's do it. These are copper droppers. Have you played them before? Some people love them. They just love them. I don't see anything at 270 now. Yeah, I think 135 and 90. 270 doesn't look happy. We just want to keep building, right? Guys, I used to play these all the time. Okay, so it's working my ticket down from 200. I've been trying 270, 135. It hasn't been that good. I reached over, I tried the one next to me. That was even worse. So you get 3 scatters and you double your money on your bet. I do love this game. I rarely play it anymore. We want 5 of those. Would be $7.50. Come on. Just not doing it. Darn it. Okay, I pulled the ticket out and I put it at 90 again. It lights 90. $10 or so. Alright, we got a couple of 3 kings. Oh darn. I don't know, guys. There you go. 1, 2, 3 times. So it's $9. That's not good with those 9s. We're going to try it anyway. Alright. We want those or the red, right? In a row. All the berries are on 270 are quite luscious. How many of you guys play Copper Dropper? I know I haven't for a while, but I used to. That was the only thing I played. I loved it. But I'm in love with all these other games now. Let's try. Uh-oh. I think we're in trouble.
Alright, I'm Sean.
Hi, Roanne.
Hi, Roanne and Sean.
We just met Pamela K over here in the High Roller Limit over at Tulalip. We're over here playing the Triple Fortune Dragon Unleashed game. And we're very enthused to find a great YouTuber like Pamela. And we'll be sure to subscribe to her channel and hope you guys do too.
Oh my gosh, that is so kind of you. Great to meet you too.
Oh yeah.
Hey girlfriend, we're on video. Do you want to say anything?
Pamela's the best. I'm so glad to see
She
you
is
today.
so right on.